$2.5 at 55. Wait. Moving in silent right here. We got him, the fast guy. Came up overnight. Guy stays out till 1 in the morning testing.
To no success.
No, you made it to the finals. You ran against me in the finals. Looked like success to me. That was a nice run.
243.
Let's see. He said he put money, he ran a 243. Which one of y'all gonna bet him? Who y'all bet? 20, 10, 15, what y'all bet? Alright, let's see.
Hope I catch you next week, man. Alright, later, fellas.
Oh, you came back.
Maybe not.
239, 47 miles.
That was a good one, but it wasn't nothing like that.
2.6, that's
the
6.
first time because I was scared, and the second one, he's got bad luck.
How you making out over there?
I'm gonna put it. I put it all the way into the closest one in.
Yeah. I was wondering why you took off so hard.
And I'm in the dark.
You get fast like that, you gotta be. Set it up for us. Mine?
Who was that?
I broke. Yeah, I think it might have been a strip spur.
Whose car was that? Hey, here you are.
Yeah, I just wanted to. I wanted to make a clean pass. That's the big battery?
Yeah, it's a good battery.
You turn down the...
Well, I'm still at negative 30 on it. I mean, I don't know. That was an old screw. I don't know. Maybe it was weak. No? You don't think so?
It's the battery. Turn that down to negative 50 before you do your run.
Turn it down when?
To negative 50.
Negative 50?
This is a whole new tune right now. This is going to give you way more power than
Okay,
you.
man. Negative 50.
Yeah. All right, set him up again. Let him do his run now. Set him up now.
Good?
No, not yet. Yeah, you're good. That's all you wanted to do is get a run. Now you
right,
can
now
turn
I got
up.
something to go up. Yeah,
Yeah.
you're right. You're right. Yeah. 263.
What's the mile an hour? 57. It's the fastest he went to yet.
57.
That's the fastest he went yet.
57.
And took off slow. Now I would go to like 40. See if it could take the 40.
Yeah.
It's in overheat mode.
Is it? Yeah, it is. Should be good. That was a good batch.
That's me coming out the whole half and then I pull like full right here. Try not to blow any spur gears.
1.741. Wow. That thing's screwed. What size is that? It is. It's like a rocket.
What's what?
What size is that setup considered? Like
10 scale.
10 scale?
Yeah.
Why does it look so much smaller than that?
Cause that's like a 10 scale, like a
It's a 10 scale
stadium truck. Yeah, this is a 10 scale on road.
Get the parachute, put it on it.
Scared, you don't hear me pulling the throttle gradually? I don't want to blow nothing. Huh? Yeah.
That one was faster for sure. I think.
Woo. Is at this time.
Yeah, big bull. Big bull ain't got nothing for little pinky. Oh, I almost lost it.
Trey didn't want to lose, that's why he's in the woods.
I wanted to pull.
You don't really heat up the phones ever, right?
Nah.
Back on.
Hold on. Set us up again.
I love it. You can't even see the wheels. That's so awesome.
Keep going. There you go.
That was a good race. I love it, dude. That is so cool.
186-215.
You got me. You definitely got me. But that was a cool race, man. We both were like straight. I love when it's straight. There was no bang.
That's what I like. Nice, clean racing.
Strip your spur gear.
Yep. Well, you slowed down a lot. A lot of slowdown.
That thing was locking them up. Locking them up. Holy